morning. Check out the view for the morning. Look at that. And good morning, guys. Yep, like you guys saw, it's a beautiful morning out here in Elliot Key. And since Big Mama's always saying I never cook, it's my turn to cook, right? So I'm gonna cook them some breakfast. Check this out. Remember last time? Finally got the toaster and the little hot pocket things while they look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. While they sleep, I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. So you know how it goes, you know. And today we got bacon and sausage. And we got a little plastic toaster with stainless steel top, because like that we can leave it on the bowl, it doesn't get rusted up. So we'll see how long it lasts, because you know, usually if something's not marine grade, it doesn't last long, but we'll try it. All right, so this is easy breakfast. So all you boodles out there, if you like bacon, sausage, and eggs, try these little pocket things. They work really good, and 2 of them kind of fills you up, or at least gets you going in the morning. So it's pretty good. I like it. It's no mess. If you guys are wondering, at least I did, we slept great because we tied to the dock. There's no waves, no noise, no nothing. So it was perfect for me. So I slept like a baby, like a big baby. And like you notice, they're still sleeping like big babies. Joel and Fresco already out fishing. They got up early and left on the dinghy. All right, so I had to cook breakfast for the kids because they're back. There you go, there you go, your breakfast, sir. Caught anything?
It's hot.
Oh, put it here then. All right, let me bring yours. Caught anything?
Huh? No.
Nope. Just snap.
Little snappers.
Oh, okay. So let me show you guys the view. Check out the view. Looking that way. That's one side, and there's people already here hanging out at the little beach area, I guess. And we're here at the dock. A few more boats came, so it's gonna be a good day. What you call? Oh, look at that snapper. Let me see that snapper. Let me see that snapper. Oh, he got a little snapper. He got a little snapper. So we're just chilling here in paradise, and the water's super clear. I don't know if you guys can see. You know what? Let me show you. Can you guys see how clear the water is? Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it on the lens because it's kind of the glare, but we're about 8 to 9 feet here of water, and look. Oh my God, there's a lot of snappers in the water. Oh, let me show you guys how many snappers. See, it's windy, but I guess the wind is coming out of the east, and since we're west of the island, the wind is being blocked. That's why we don't get the waves here. So it makes it perfect just to hang out here and enjoy the view and the silence. Well, kind of hear the generator noise, but you know, but it's all good. It's all good in the hood right here.
As you can see, all the boaters here at Elliot Key are enjoying this beautiful semi-cloudy gray day, but it's still beautiful. And like you can see, Fresquito still fishing, trying to catch them big snappers. But I'm here hanging out with a boater that he actually watches my channel. So we're talking about boat stories and video stories. And it's pretty cool when you meet people that watch the videos. But now, Juanquita wants to take advantage of this beautiful day and the great lighting to take some pictures. That if you guys follow us from before, you guys noticed that we took some great pictures here, especially the sunsets. Picture session was ended early because finally our friends that we were waiting for, they finally showed up. And right away we noticed they have a new tender, because before they had like a 13-foot Boston whaler. Now this one's a little bigger, I just don't remember the footage. But now we're gonna go ahead and move our boat closer to theirs because their draft is about 6 feet, so they have to stay in deeper waters. I never knew that the dinghy or tenders was going to be so handy, especially in a situation we're in that we have to stay apart from each other. So like that, you get to visit your neighbors and you don't have to move your big boat, because it's a hassle sometimes when you have to pick up your anchor, then lower your anchor. And this area here is very rocky, so sometimes the anchor takes 2 to 3 times to hook to the ground if you don't have the proper anchor. But they came over to visit.
All right, so we're gonna enjoy a little
throw all this away.
pineapple snack.
Where's the garbage?
I don't know if you guys haven't noticed, but we try to have a lot of fruits, well, some fruits on the boat, especially on hot days, because it works as 2 things, as a hydration and gives you energy, and actually is good for your body. And if you notice, Fresco and Joel disappear. They're out cruising around in the dinghy with their friends. So we're gonna enjoy this windy, sunny, relaxing moment. And as you can see, Cookie's doing pretty good. She's adapting to the sea life, just like you did. And also, she doesn't have the tendency to jump off the boat like King did.
Ay, look at her. He's so jealous. You're so jealous. Why are you so jealous, Bobby?
Mira dónde se tienen que acostar. Look at this.
And as you can see, we're just having a lazy, relaxing day, just like Yuli. Look at Yuli.
I'm so sorry.
So we're here enjoying the day because here you cannot also go to the sandbar. So we're just here hanging, lingering in the water by the beach side, by the pier. So just enjoy the day, right? You enjoying your day? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. She's enjoying it. She just don't want to admit it. The wind is great, except for when it's time to do barbecue. It's gonna be troublesome. But right now, it's great. Can you tell all my hair? How it's moving? Oh wait, okay.
Well, while I enjoy the cool breeze and straighten out my hair, let's go see what the other boaters are doing.
right, guys. So guess what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Yep, it's sausage time with chicken here at Elliot Key in La Raza. And the later it gets, the more people are coming. So it's pretty cool. So we're gonna enjoy our day here. Got some lunch. And maybe jump in the water later on because it's hot. It's really hot.
Now, you're gonna tell me it's coincidence or what? Or they're just lucky, or they just smelled it, or they just know what time it is. So as soon as the food was done, the kids showed up and they were hungry.
With the better cheddar bake?
I'm gonna get you.
But luckily, I put extra meat and sausages on the barbecue to share with the friends.
Over there hanging out with the lazy buns. It's kind of deep there.
No, I'm PA.
Oh no, you have to bring the lazy buns. Oh, that pie, pero not you. I'm lying, Johnny. Give it to the line.
Goddamn. Oh, never mind. I got it. Fresco.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Your anchor's under your trim tab.
Yeah, I got it over there so I don't swing around.
And I guess we're called this a drive-through barbecue on the water. And once they ate everything, they took off and left.
At the cabin once again. I had to get wet. And we're cruising. Look at the hydro hanging out. We're gonna go cruise around the beach area. ¿Cómo anda? Aquí, pasándola. ¿Este es el tuyo? ¿Este es el tuyo? Ah, okay. So we're hanging out at Elliot Key Beach, right here.
Well, and you can see the day is beautiful and the water is great. Here at Elliot Key, I guess you want to call it the beach side. It's always clear because it's always moving water. So you don't get that brackish water mixture that you get all over. So we were hanging out here maybe about an hour or so, enjoying the sun and the warm water because the water was about 90 degrees according to the GPS. And also, I would like to say hello to all those people that waved at us while we were cruising on the dinghy, and those I spoke to in person. So thank you for watching the channel. And also, you guys are witnessing something. Gabby's most of the time is complaining about going on the boat, but every time she comes, she has a good time. So that was refreshing and relaxing. But now we're gonna jump on the dinghy and head over where my friends are at. And if you guys like a quiet, relaxing atmosphere, come check out Elliot Key. I guess by the beach side because it's not the sandbar. The sandbar right now is closed. I guess basically all Dade County sandbars are closed. All over Sandbar, Nixon Sandbar, and Elliot Key Sam's Cut Sandbar. Well, after a few hours hanging out, talking some boat stories here with the friends and Alliance family, we decided to go ahead and head out over back to the boat because we were getting hungry. And by the way, do not ask me what Ogida was doing. Maybe she thought she was in the movie Titanic. I don't know. Grab the boat. Well, and like you notice, Gabby's even happier because she found a friend. Finally, because most of the people we hang out with, they have boys. So she's always feels like she's left behind with no girls. Well, you know guys, to me, as long as I'm on the water with family and friends, it's a day well spent. So we're here just chatting and listening to music, but too bad I can't play it because I get a copyright. Oh, and talking about music, you guys are in for a surprise. Hopefully soon, you'll find out what the surprise is. And you guys are gonna like it, I promise you that. And you're even gonna dance to it. Alright guys, and stay tuned for part 3 because a lot of people have been asking me how come I don't record when I get home and unload the boat. So stay tuned for that.